Alors Nawel, ça va bien? Hey, ça. Là, je suis en train de monter ma petite case et je vais me coucher pendant ces temps. On va séjourner ici. C'est la première fois que je fais ça. Je veux dire que c'est une dinguerie. Je ne connaissais pas du tout. C'est grâce à Nawel que j'ai pu faire ça. So, tout est prêt déjà. Là, je vais essayer d'installer simplement les draps. Yeah, that's good. Nawel. So, see you guys soon. So, what you think about this moment, man?
راحة نفسية معناها بلاصة ياسر كالم. البلاصة ياسر كالم. ناتور معناها في البلاصة الكل تشوف طيب وتاكل وطونط متاعك تعيش في أجواء مش نورمال. حاجة راحة نفسية مش نورمال.
يعطيك الصحة man. So do you want to say something? What you think about this moment? Yeah, okay. Don't worry. Yeah.
Okay, it's a happy moment here with our family, and I don't know. It's a happy moment.
So you appreciate it about this camping?
I don't speak English very well.
French.
حتى French زاد.
Maybe Arabic.
No.
Comment tu trouves ces campings?
عمر راك انت اخوي. ايش؟
Yeah, okay.
هاي. شو عمر؟ يا عمر
ركحوا القابع.
What you think about this camping?
Hello, I think it's very relaxing and yes, of course.
So you mean it's cool? It's very interesting. This camping?
Yeah, it's very interesting. It's amazing. Yes, you can relax your mind, forget about everything. Don't focus on your problems in your daily life.
Right, man. Thank you for this impression. Thank you, bro. Yeah, I appreciate it. So could you just say what you think about this camping?
Aslema. About this camping, I enjoyed it a lot, and it's my first time being here and camping. And what else? It's something new for me, so I appreciate a lot, and I do love a lot what I'm doing now.
Okay. That's really cool. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, thank you.
Bro, could you please share it? Oh yeah, sure. What you think about this camping?
It's really fun. It's really unique. This is not my first time, to be honest, but I like the environment here because it shows like the I don't know. It's like a mix between nature and like water. I love that. I love the mix that it gives.
Thank you. It's poetic. Hey, bro. What's up, bro? What you think about this camping? So you can speak in French, in English, or in Arabic.
In Arabic, I speak in Arabic.
Everyone, bro.
So what do you want me to talk about?
So what you think about this camping?
It's my first camping, and I think it's good, and I think it will be my last camping tour.
Thank you, bro. So do you want to say something? Yeah. What do you think about this camping?
It's actually my first camping also,
Okay, yeah.
but it doesn't feel like my first camping. I feel like I belong to this life.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, I'm lonely this winter.
No.
I'm fulfilling the wish of the loving being. I don't know that would hold for me to be alone. I'm lonely this winter, but I hope for a lover my lover. Fulfill your wish to be my lover.
Exactly that. So you can ask a question and she will translate it in English, and then they will play. So
Quand on tape, quand on doit
les 3 mots, tu tapes.
Je tape. Ah d'accord.
Si tu oublies de taper, t'es éliminé aussi.
Attends, chouette. On doit le dire
les 3 mots rapidement avant que les 10 secondes finissent.
Au même temps.
Une question pour toi, une question pour elle.
Ah ok.
Yeah.
One question.
So like you have 10 seconds.
To answer the question. Ok.
Yeah.
Le 3 mots, je dois dire entre 10 secondes.
10 secondes.
Ah. Je dis n'importe quoi,
Ouais.
mais par rapport à la question.
Voilà, c'est pas un rapport. Allez, vas-y, donne les mots.
So you'll say 3 words in 10 seconds. You have to say the 3 words in 10 seconds, okay. And what else? Yeah, in 10 seconds you have to. You'll just mention 3 words, okay, regarding whatever the question is.
Okay. Faut taper à la fin aussi.
All right. So can I start? Tu peux commencer.
Oh, I'm lonely this winter. I'm fulfilling the wish of the loving being. I don't know that would hold for me to be alone. I'm lonely this winter.
Robin de Bois-Boy.
But I hope for a lover. If you want me, then come in front. At my door, fulfill your wish to be my lover.
Woo! Hot.
Be my lover.
I'm afraid, bro.
Fulfill your wish to be my lover.
حاجب المجبور راينا رجال وتزين حاجب المجبور راينا رجال وتزين يا بابور اللوح جامرة فوق الروح يا بابور اللوح جامرة فوق الروح وقلبي مجروح جبتلي الغزالة لبعيد قلبي مجروح جبتلي الغزالة لبعيد ودي أنا يا كلمة فوق النور بكت عيني وصالت حبيت عمر جروح بكت عيني وصالت حبيت عمر جروح هديت العدان ولا ليلة العيشة مرة هديت العدان ولا ليلة العيشة مرة وقطت البحرة جيتها وخلتني وحيد وقطت البحرة جيتها وخلتني وحيد قولوا يا بابور اللوح تلتني جمرة فوق الروح يا بابور اللوح تلتني جمرة فوق الروح وقلبي مجروح تلتني الغزالة لبعيد قلبي مجروح تلتني الغزالة لبعيد برافو